Again today, I want to discuss Paul's understanding of the meaning of the cross and resurrection of Christ. I said yesterday that the cross and resurrection of Christ reveal the normalcy and also the foolishness of tyranny and violence and domination. But the cross and resurrection of Christ also reveal the way to live a new life in Christ. And how do we do that? We do that through internalizing the cross and resurrection. We do that by making the cross and resurrection our own. And how do we do that? We do that by looking inside ourselves, by seeing those impulses toward violence, toward oppression, toward control and domination that we may feel, those feelings of superiority over others that we may feel about other people, and dying to that normalcy, dying to those impulses toward tyranny and violence and oppression, whatever they may be, and then rising to the understanding of life in Christ, a life that is lived in justice and equality, a life that seeks the best for everyone, a life that doesn't make distinctions between who's better and who's worse and who's worthy and who's not worthy, but a life that's based truly on justice, a life that seeks for everyone to have what he or she needs to live a good life. This is what it means to internalize the cross and resurrection of Christ. This is what it means for us to live as a new creation in Christ. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.